Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to link to different pages in HTML. So let's start with video. We are going to use notepad here. So within search box, I will type notepad and select your notepad application. Here, first line I will type as a document type doctype, the document type HTML. It is like instruction to the browser that this is a HTML page. Now every HTML page have basic tag that is HTML. So I will give here basic HTML tag. This is a starting tag and closing tag HTML. When we want to give the closing tag, at that time you have to give the forward slash and name of tag, means it is a closing tag. Now every basic HTML tag or root tag has two main parts. First part is the head. So I will give opening and closing tag for head. Another basic part is body, where contents of your web page are displayed. So here I will give the closing tag for body. Now within this head tag, I want to give title to the web browser. So I will give title and the starting tag and closing tag. And within that, suppose I want to give title as welcome, you can give any title as per your choice. Now this is a body tag, and suppose I want to give heading here as within body, I will give h1 as a tag. Here the number 1 indicates the big font size for your heading. It is ranging from h1 to h6. If you give h2 as the heading size, the size of font will reduce a little bit. So in this way, font size will get decreased from h1 to h6. Suppose I want to give heading here as welcome to page 1. Means this is my page 1 for HTML. Now suppose I want to give text color as a red. I will do setting as a style. In that I will give color colon red. Means I want to give this text color as red. Okay. And suppose I want to give color to the first page yellow. So I will give here style is equal to bg color is equal to yellow. Suppose I want to give background color as a yellow. Now it's time to save your file. So to save your file, you have to select the option file, then save. So on the desktop, I have created one folder as a web. In that, I'm going to save my program. So you can do the same thing, create one folder on desktop, on that you can save your program. But please make sure that file name you are giving with extension as a .html. So here file name I will give as a page1.html, and please make sure that your file type you will select as a all files. Okay, you have to take two cares. First thing, extension you are going to give as a .html, and second thing, here file type should be all files. Just save your program. I will minimize this notepad, and again in web page I will check whether my page is created or not. So here it shows that welcome to page 1, but background color is not set. Again this method is not working, so instead of bg color we can give the latest approach as a background color yellow. Just save your program, Control S, again refresh the HTML page, so it gives color as a yellow. So here this method is working, background dash color. BG color is a deprecated method, and right now it's not working. So it's better to use background color. Now here we have created page 1 in HTML format. Now similarly, suppose I want to create a page 2. So again I will select the notepad option. Again I will give the document type doctype as HTML. Now see, this is not a case sensitive, so you can use capital or small letter as per your choice. Again, in HTML document, I will give two basic tags, that is a HTML. Again, in this file, I will give basic tag as a HTML. It is a root tag. Again, within this root tag, we are supposed to give head and body tag. So I will give head tag, completion of head tag. Within this head tag, we can create title. So I will give title tag, completion of title tag. Now within this title tag, I will give name as welcome to. This name will go to the web browser. Okay. And another basic tag is a body. Starting and closing tag I will give for body. Now within this body tag, suppose I want to give some heading. So this is a closing tag and I will give the heading as welcome to page. Okay. Here I'm giving heading in H1 tag. If you want, you can use H2, H2, H3 tag also. But this H1 is a big having biggest font size, so I'm giving it. If you want to give some color to this tag, you can use the option as the style is equal to. Okay, now this is not a background color, this is color to text. Color which is given to text. So I will give color colon red. You can give any of your favorite color. Now for this body or for this HTML page also I want to set some color. So I will use style is equal to again background color, and suppose I want to use color as a aqua to this body. Now just save this program. Again select the same folder. On desktop I have created web folder. Within that I will save this file having name as a page 2.html, and make sure that here you are selecting file type as a all files. Okay, and just save this program. Now we'll check whether we can open this file in web browser. So again I will click here web page 2.html. So here it shows welcome to page. In this way, as per your choice, you can add some tables, images into your web page. Now here our target is to link these two pages. Suppose I want to link this page 1 and page. So again I will open the page 1 and here I will give some heading tag. Now here I want to link page 1 with page 2. So I will use the anchor tag. This is a starting tag and this is a closing anchor tag. Now within starting tag, I'm supposed to give the path of that page where I want to link. So I will give h reference is equal to our file name is a page 2.html. Okay, and here I will give name as a go to page. Just save this program. When you are doing some changes to your program, you are supposed to save it. So I will save. Now open the page 1. Just refresh it. It shows that reference is added to your page. Okay. So if you click here, it takes control to the page 2. as you are linking page 1 with the page 2. Again, if I want to link page 2 with page 1, then I need to create reference by using anchor tag. So again, I will use the anchor tag starting and closing, and within that anchor tag, I will give the h reference is equal to into colon address of the page where I want to link. So I want to link with page1.html and name as go to page 1. Like this hyperlink will get created which will connect to the page 1. Again, I want to save this program. Oh, here I forgot to write page1.html. So I will need to modify the page name. So I will give here page1.html and I will save my program. We'll open page1.html. Here h reference I want to connect with the page 1. So I will give page1.html. Just save your program by using Ctrl S, or you can use file and save option. After this, just open any of your HTML page. I have opened web page page1.html. Okay, so it displays the message as welcome to page 1. Now if I click on go to page 2, it will take control to the page. Again, we have created a h reference if I want to go back to page 1. So again, I will click here, go to page 1, and again it will take control to the page 5. So in this way, we can link to HTML pages. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.